Good morning, Andy. This is your airplane yoga sequence. First, begin by making sure your chair is in the upright position. Loosen or take off your seatbelt for the moment. Sit well. The feet are firmly on the floor. The knees are at a 90-degree angle. And just place the hands on the tops of the thighs. Go ahead and start the practice by closing your eyes, sitting tall, relaxing the shoulders down and away from the ears. Closing the eyes, assessing the body and the breath. Gently breathing in and out of the nose. Allowing the belly to rise and fall. Allowing the ribs to expand and come back. And just noticing how you feel. And then when you feel ready from this, go ahead and gently open the eyes. And we're going to start with something called Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. This is a pranayama or breathing exercise that balances the left and right sides of the brain, as well as leaves you feeling much more refreshed. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your thumb, the right thumb, to the right nostril, and have your right, ring finger ready. So you're going to inhale through the left nostril, take the ring finger to the left nostril, close it, release the thumb from the right, and exhale out of the right. Inhaling through the right, close the right with the thumb, release the ring finger from the left, exhale from the left. Inhaling from the left, ring finger presses, exhaling right. Inhaling right. Thumb presses, release ring finger left, exhale. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And you can do this for as long as you'd like. There's nothing as too much Nadi Shodhana. It's a very user-friendly, body-friendly, nervous system-friendly pranayama. From here, when you're done with your Nadi Shodhana, again, make sure that you're sitting right. The chest is lifted, the shoulders are relaxed into the back and down away from the ears. Hands are resting on the lap. The feet are flat on the floor, and then from here, let me switch the camera view. Go ahead and you're going to lift up onto your balls of the feet. Inhale. Exhale, lower the heels. Inhale, lift the toes. Exhale, lower the toes. Inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, heels lower. Inhale, raise the toes. Exhale, lower the toes. Inhale, heels rise. Exhale, heels fall. Inhale, toes rise. Exhale, toes fall. Inhaling, heels rise. Exhale, heels fall. Inhale, toes rise. Exhale, fall. From here, go ahead and slightly lift the right foot off the floor and just make some circles with the foot, both directions, and lower the right foot to the floor. All of these exercises, of course, you can do for much longer than what I'm showing you. Inhale, lifting the left foot, and again, make some circles, both directions. And on the exhalation, you're going to lower the foot. From here, I want you to extend the right foot, point, and flex. Point, flex. Inhale to point, exhale to flex. Inhaling to point, exhaling to flex. And again, you can do this for much longer. Second side, lift the left foot, point, exhale, flex. Inhale, point, Exhale, flex. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. And then lower the foot back down to the floor. From here, go ahead and press the forearms into the armrests. Push the forearms down. Press the feet into the floor and just give the chest some lift. Beautiful. And then from here, I want you to go on the inhale, lift the right knee, interlace the fingers, bring the knee in. Once you do that, inhale, point. Exhale, flex. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. The chest is high. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. And again, you can circle the ankles here and switch sides. So you're going to interlace the fingers around the shin, the top of the shin, and point. Flex. Notice that my sternum is lifting by my pulling onto the shin to deepen the crease of the knee and the hip. Pointing and flexing, and you can circle side to side, all that jazz. Beautiful. From there, again, press the forearms into the sides of the seat, if you can. Pressing the forearms into the seat, gently lift the tush, and then rock the pelvis from side to side. Make circles, oiling the joints, and down. From here, go ahead, keeping the forearms as they are, go ahead and lean. Go ahead and lean to the right and then to the left. So it's kind of like walking like an Egyptian. Right and left. Right and left. And again, as many times as you feel. From here, I want you to go ahead and take your right hand behind you if you can. Take your left hand to the outside of the right leg and grab the seat. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, twist to the right. Gaze softly down over the nose, looking over the shoulder. Inhaling to lift the sternum. Exhaling to deepen the twist. Inhaling back to center. And then same position, second side. So the left hand goes behind you onto the seat. If you can, take the right hand to the left corner of the cushion. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, bend the elbows and twist. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, twisting, gazing softly down over the tip of the nose, gazing over that left shoulder. Breathing in and breathing out. Coming back to center when you feel like it. From here, inhale, take the arms up overhead. Interlace your fingers straight up overhead and side to side. Inhale to the right. Exhale back to the center. Inhaling to the left. Exhaling back to the center. Switch the interlace of the fingers and repeat second side. Inhaling to the left. Exhaling center. Inhaling to the right. Exhale, center. Notice my palms are facing up. So it's a big wrist hand stretch as well. When you release, go ahead and shake the arms out. And again, raise the arms overhead. Don't interlace the fingers this time, but apple pick, like we do all the time, lengthening the sides of the waist, reaching higher and higher, but notice how my face, my jaw, my eyes, and my neck are all relaxed. Working the arms, feeling the feet on the floor, feeling the sit bones on the seat. Okay. The next thing is you're going to do a seated cat-cow. So taking the hands to the tops of the thighs, pressing the heels of the hands, inhale, lift the chest, arch the back, gaze down over the nose. Exhale, slide the hands down to the knees, hollow the belly into a mini cat pose, chin to chest. Inhale, sliding the hands back, lift the sternum, lift the chin, gaze down over the nose, back bend, stick the tush out. Exhale, tucking the tailbone, sliding the hands back down to the knees, hollowing the belly, chin to chest. Inhaling into cow. Exhaling into cat. 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 Come back to center. And then from here, go ahead and do eagle arms. Inhale, lift the elbows so that they're eye height. Exhale, push the elbows about an inch away from you. Inhale, lift the chin, lift the chest, gaze down over the nose. Exhale, bringing the elbows to the belly, and then sway from side to side. When you feel ready, slowly lift the elbows, gently unwind the arms, come into the shape of a cactus. Same position, second side, left arm over right. Inhale, lift the elbows. Exhale, push the elbows about an inch in front of you. Inhale, lift the elbows as you lift the chin, lift the chest, gazing down over the nose. Exhale, elbows to the navel, hollow the belly, broaden the back, and rock from side to side. Breathing in and breathing out. When you feel ready, coming back to center, inhale, come on up. Exhale, releasing the arms back to the cactus and shake the mat. Beautiful. From here, take your arms out forward, flip the palms up. Inhale, make a fist. Exhale, spread the hands wide. Inhale, fist. Exhale, hands wide. Inhaling, fist. Exhale, hands wide. Inhale, fist. Exhale, hands wide. Inhale, tap the shoulders. Exhaling, straighten the arms. Inhaling, tapping the shoulders. Exhaling, straighten the arms. Inhale, tap the shoulders. Exhale, straighten the arms. Inhaling, tapping the shoulders. Exhale, straighten the arms. Inhale, tap the shoulders. Exhale, stay. Inhale, open the shoulders away from each other. Lift the chin, lift the chest. Stick out the tush, back bend. Exhale, tuck the tailbone. Elbows together, hollow the belly. So kind of a cat-cow. Inhaling up and open. Exhaling to close. Inhaling, opening. Exhaling to close. Inhale, open. Exhale to close. Inhaling to open. Exhaling to close. Come back to neutral and shake out the arms. Circle the hands again, the wrists. Beautiful. From here, go ahead and take the right arm above your head, touch the back of your neck. Take the left hand, grab the right elbow, and just bring the elbow back behind the head, pressing the head into the elbow, and just feeling that nice stretch. And then same thing, second side. Wonderful. And then you shake out the arms. From here, you can do some neck tilts, gentle with the breath. Very gentle though, that kind of thing. Okay, from here, the next thing you're going to do is seated pigeon pose. From here, take your right ankle to the left knee. Beautiful. Press that left foot into the floor. Hold that right foot with the left hand and the right knee with the right hand. Inhale, lift the chest. Beautiful. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, down and release the leg. Same thing, second side, left foot on right ankle. Inhale, up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And then again, walking the knees in and down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And then from here, you can crisscross your arms, start to massage the neck, the trapezius muscles, moving down to the shoulders, just giving yourself a nice squeeze, down the arms, really jamming your thumb into the muscle, massaging the elbows, really get to that nerve, and the forearms, really dig into the forearms, and then the hands and foot. Beautiful. From there, go ahead, sit well, close the eyes, bring the hands into the shape of a prayer. Namaste.